everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we're reviewing Unit 5, Animals. In this unit, we learned how to say, here you are, 여기요, and thank you, 고맙습니다. We also learned 2 new action words like jump, boing, and skip, dung, du, dung, du, dung. We also learned the names of animals like bird, cat, dog, birds, cats, and dogs. 무조건 S가 있으면 여러 말이 있단 말이지. Without further ado, let's get started. On page 38, part A says match. Remember, match means to 맞는 걸로 연결하기. In the first part, we see a picture of a person saying, here you are. So how would Andy respond? Andy는 어떻게 답변하면 되죠? Thank you. In the second picture, we see Kate and Andy. Kate says, here you are. Andy says, thank you. In the last picture, Jenny says, here you are. Her mom says, thank you. Check your answer and let's go to the next page. On page 39, part B says match and say. In number 1, this action word is boing, jump. How do we jump? We can jump with a jump rope. Then we'll match this picture to jump. In number 2, we have skip. Dung, du, dung, du, dung. We'll match this to the door. We skip to the door. Great job! In part C, we're going to write a check or an X. In number 1, we need to find all the pictures for skip. If we see a picture of skip, we need to write a check. 근데 skip 사진 아니면 X. Ready? In the first picture, this man is sitting down. Sitting down 하고 있으면 skip을 못하지? 그러면 X. In the second picture, we see 2 people dung, du, dung, du, dung, skipping. So we'll draw a check. In the last picture, he's skipping. So we'll draw a check. In number 2, we need to find all the pictures of boing, jump. If we see a picture of jump, we need to draw a check. Jump 사진 아니면, if it's not a picture of jump, we need to draw an X. In our first picture, what is she doing? Good, she is jumping. In the second picture, the teacher is standing up. 점프는 아니니까 X. In our last picture, they're using a jump rope. So we'll draw a check. Check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 40, part A says to find and number. 찾아서 숫자를 쓰는 거예요. For example, in number 1, it's a picture of a bird. One bird. Do you see the picture of one bird? Right here, so we'll draw the number 1. Number 2 is a picture of a cat. One cat. Right here. And number 3 is a picture of a dog. One dog. Right here. Number 4 is a picture of birds. 정확히 말하면, there's 2 birds. Can you find the picture of 2 birds? Right here, so we'll write the number 4. In number 5, it says cats. 고양이 2. We'll write the number 5. And last, we're looking for the part where we have a picture of 3 dogs. Right. Number 6 is right there. Good job. Check your answer and let's keep going. On page 41, the directions say how many. Write and say. 몇 마리 있나요? In number 1, we see a picture of cats. How many? 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 cats. In number 2, we see a picture of how many? 여기에 S가 없잖아요. 그러면 무조건 하나. One bird. 1, B-I-R-D. In number 3, how many dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dogs. And in number 4, how many? 여기도 S가 없네요. 그러면 1 dog. You're doing a great job. In number 5, how many? 1 cat. And number 6, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds. Great job! Check your answers and let's keep going. On page 42, the directions say to find. 찾아야 돼요. Let's start with the duck. 한 마리를 여러 마리로 연결하자. So, if we start with the duck here, we need to match it to the ducks here. We'll start here. We'll go here. Ooh, we're there. Good job. Now let's go to the rabbit. We have 1 rabbit here and many rabbits here. Let's start here. Go here. 바로 찾았네. We found it right away. Now let's go to the cow. We have 1 cow here, many cows here. Ready? 이건 좀 멀어. This one's a little far away, but that's okay. We can do it. Ready? Whoa, we did it! That one was a little hard. Check your answers and let's go to the next page. On page 43, the directions say count, 세고, and write. In number 1, the question says, how many cows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cows. Number 2, how many ducks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ducks. For numbers 3, 4, and 5, I would like you to do it by yourself. Then we'll check our answers. Okay, let's check. Number 3, how many dogs? We have 1 dog. How many birds? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 birds. How many rabbits? We have 1 and 2. 2 rabbits. 너무 잘하고 있어요. Let's keep going. On page 44, we need to find and circle. We need to find all of the letters M, N, O, and P. 대문자, 소문자 상관없이 M, N, O, P 무조건 찾아야 돼요. Ready? M, N, O, P, capital letters. M, N, O, P, lowercase. 이것도 한번 해보고 let's check your answers. Good luck! Ready? we have MNOP, lowercase there, MNOP, uppercase or capital letter there. We have MNOP, 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 and last we have MNOP. Great job! Check your answers and let's go to part B. In this part, we need to trace and match. In number 1, we need to trace the letter M. We have a capital M and a lowercase m. Which picture starts with the letter M? Monkey. Very good. For number 2, we need to trace the letter N. Which picture starts with the letter N? N. I'll give you a hint. What's the name of a bird's home? Nest. Great. Let's connect it to the picture of the nest. Number 3 and 4, 혼자 하고 다음 페이지에 만날게요. On our last page, page 45, we're going to match and say. We're also going to count and write. Ready? In number 1, how many dolls? 3 dolls. Let's write. Number 2, how many cars? Let's write. How many cars? 1, 2, 3. 3 cars. 연결하고 let's write. Number 3, how many balls? 연결하고 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. Very good. We're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?